Alright, tonight's plan is for a vertical thrust test. We'll see how it goes. The fuel cells that I printed are not as good as I intended, so we'll see what happens.
Hey, 10, 1, plug! No! Oh, yeah, it's going. What a feeling. What a feeling. Oh, it's burning.
Well, as far as it goes for thrust or vertical, neither happened. So we'll break it down a little bit. So what happened upon ignition, like I said, the fuel cells I printed were kind of junk. So it burned entirely too quickly and caused a blockage in the nozzle before the oxidizer pump kicked in and really brought the pressure. So we're going to get some new fuel together. We'll get this all cleaned out. Hopefully get another go. I'm hoping on tomorrow, but unfortunately I have to print something for the wife, so we may have to wait on the fuel cells. It'll be within the week though. Stay tuned.